Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to calculate your age in years, months and days. First of all, you have to careful about two things. The first one is the date of birth cell should be format in date, and other all the cells should be in journal format. For age calculation in years, just type is equal to dated if and small bracket start, give the cell reference and then type comma and type today, small brackets open and close, type comma, and in inverted commas you have to type y and press enter. Okay, you can see the age is calculated in years. Friends, if you are today learn something new, please subscribe my channel. uh, Now we will discuss how to calculate age in months. The same formula you have to type is equal to TATED dated if small bracket start, cell reference, type comma, type today, small bracket start and close, type comma, and in inverted commas you have to type M for months and then press enter. And if you want to calculate in days, just you have to type is equal to dated if small bracket starts, cell reference, type comma, today, small bracket starts and type comma, TD for days, press enter and yes. Guys, you can see my age is also calculated in days, months and years. All the formula is same, but the last word is just changed. For years you have to type Y, for months you have to type M, for days you have to type D. Okay guys, if you are enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and hit a like. See you in next video. Bye bye.